What's up, guys? Welcome to another video. This one is going to be pretty exciting. As you can see, we got something else in. Let's bring this over here and make sure we're getting some sound recorded. But this is pretty exciting. Pretty excited. It's been a while in the making. It's been a few years now. Quite a few years. Quite some time since I've had one of these. I've been using my wife's, the one that I got her for Christmas almost 6 years ago, probably, or more. I had one about 6 years ago as well. 7 years ago. No, I had it a year ago. I didn't use it anymore because it just kept automatically shutting off and cutting out. And so I just went ahead and decided to go ahead and just sell it. But that one was about 7 years old as well. So I've been wanting a new one for a long time. And finally they released these new ones and went ahead and said, let's just go ahead and do it. From the price, couldn't beat it. Because before this, I was going to buy a different one and didn't do it because it was pretty expensive. And when these new ones came out, you guys probably already know what I'm talking about, but how could I say no to this beauty? So let's go ahead and find out what's in this box, even though we already know. It just arrived today. Actually, I had to go pick it up because it was supposed to be shipped yesterday, but it had the wrong address on it, so I had to pick it up at the warehouse. Enough talk, more opening. Boom. 1 flap, 2 flap, 3 flap, 4 flap. Ta-da! I'm pretty sure you guys already guessed it, but check this out. Finally, I've been wanting a new Mac for years, ever since mine has pretty much just died, as I said earlier in my story, that it just automatically just shuts off. It automatically would just, like, how do I explain it? Oh, GPU panic is what it was. I guess it was out of the warranty, because once it finally started doing it, it was years later after everybody else had those issues. But I sold it a few months ago. Yeah, either a few months ago or last year, I don't remember, but I sold it and I was going to get me a new one. Ended up not buying the new one. Ended up waiting for all the videos that I've seen that supposedly they were going to release one of these with their chip, and they did. And of course I had to pull the trigger, and I'm pretty excited. This is awesome. So I got here the 13-inch MacBook Pro, as you can see right there, and you can see the Apple logo there. You can see nice little screen here. Oh no, my lights are on. You know what? Let's change the mood. This is gonna be my new editing machine. I was using the custom PC I built 7 years ago. Still works, still does what I needed to do. So it's a pretty good machine. It's an X99 board. Like I say, I built this 7 years ago. Still works, still pushing hard, making the videos I'm making now. But this one here, it's gonna be edited on this bad boy. So I've seen all the videos. I know you've seen all the videos of how good this thing is. I mean, it is brand new. They have some issues that I've seen, but I personally haven't had any of those because I just got it, and so I'm just so excited. Stop talking. more opening. Let's go ahead and pull the strip down here at the bottom. Not sure if you can hear that, but that's the sound of excitement. My other one was a MacBook Pro too. That one was a 15-inch with the anti-glare screen. It was a pretty nice laptop at its time. 2011, now that I remember. I don't know if it was mid or late, but oh. Check it out. Now this is the first time as well that I'm gonna mess with the little touch bar it has on there. Ever since I heard it come out, I saw it and I looked, I was like, that's pretty cool, I want it. But I've heard good things, bad things, but I'm gonna try it out for the first time, and right now I'm pretty excited. We got a USB-C to USB-C charging cable. We have a manual with books and stuff. Got the stickers. You know you gotta have the stickers, that's for sure. And we got the power brick here. And that's it. Let's go ahead and put that back. Let's take a listen to this. Ooh, oh my gosh, this is awesome. And I've never had the space gray. Not even the phone space gray. It's always been either red or silver. But this is awesome. Now it's a little harder for me to see because my lights are off. But I have my little spotlight over there. But this thing is amazing, and it's shiny, and it's freaking awesome. It's actually kind of small, little 13-inch. Well, because my other one was a 15-inch, so I could tell the difference in that. Oh, this is amazing. Take a look at that. Let's go ahead and the sound. Not sure I'll be able to. There you go. Nice blow. Ooh-wee. Look at this bad boy. I'm so excited. I'm so excited. And I just can't hide it. I'm about to lose control and I think I like it. Sorry you guys had to worship. Had to listen to that. That's also not the word I was looking for. What's it called? Witness that. Oh my gosh. Sorry you guys had to witness that. But I am totally excited for this new laptop. Oh, this is amazing. I'm going to use this in conjunction with my new monitor that I have over here. The LG 5K 2K 34-inch ultra wide. This is gonna be awesome. Alrighty, well, I'm gonna go ahead and get this set up. I know I was a little quiet there. I'm just so excited right now. Can't wait to get into this, getting back into my Mac. So guys, thank you guys for watching. Go ahead and hit that like button, hit the subscribe button, hit that bell notification button. Check out the description for any links of any equipment that I use. Should be in the description down there if you want to check it out. Linked probably to this bad boy down there in the description. Go ahead and check that out. Click it, buy it. Everything down there most likely will be an affiliate link, so it'll throw a little some my way. So guys, thank you guys for watching. You guys are amazing. This is pretty awesome. I am very excited to just start with this again. You don't know how excited I am. So, with that said, and I'm gonna say it again, subscribe to the channel, smash that like button, turn it blue, turn it white, but then turn it back blue again. Guys, this is amazing. This is the Apple Mac with the Apple Mac M1 chip. I didn't even say that through the whole video. I mean, I'm pretty sure you already knew, but this is the Apple M1 16 gig 512 MacBook Pro 13-inch. You gotta save that for the end of the video. The best for last. Guys, thank you. Peace.